Thursday, November 3rd edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Our next storm system is knocking on our door today. We're going to squeeze in another day with sunshine and 60s for highs today, but as soon as later this evening, the rain will begin to spread into the region and settle in for probably about a 18-hour time frame in some spots. Let me kind of show you what the radar looks like this morning. There's the broad view with rain extending really from the Great Lakes down to the northwestern Gulf of Mexico. An area of low pressure situated over Missouri. That's kind of the main driving force this morning. More on that in just a second. There's your temperatures. Another chilly start. Many Piedmont spots were well down into the 30s once again this morning. And we'll have, like I mentioned, another day with some sunshine and 60s for highs today. And there's that next push of chillier air that'll settle in for tomorrow and the weekend. I've trimmed back the weekend highs by a couple of degrees from what I had going in yesterday's forecast. Here's the upper air chart this afternoon off the European model. Very potent upper level low over Missouri and Illinois. As we get into the day tomorrow, this is tomorrow morning, that upper level low situated right over the southern foothills in the upstate of South Carolina, and that will continue to exit, but still looks like some ridging gets in place. This is Monday morning's chart, and we'll have some warming temperatures as we get into the first few days of next work week before the next system then swings in. This is Thursday evening of next week. So let's talk about the upcoming rain event. Here we go. This afternoon, we're going to be dry. I think the Piedmont zones will stay dry through today, but as soon as later this evening and certainly into tonight, the rain will arrive, and the rain could be pretty heavy at times after midnight tonight across the region. And then, as that upper level low pulls through, even though the surface low is offshore, still some upper level forcing keeping the rain chances going off and on through a good chunk of our Friday, along with chillier temperatures too. A couple of the other models here. Here's the Canadian model, valid at 8 o'clock Friday morning. This is the precip that occurs during the second half of the night tonight. European, very similar, and some pretty generous rain amounts occur in some spots. In fact, here's the day 1 and 2 rain totals from the HPC, and looks like many spots could actually wind up seeing between 3/4 of an inch of rain and maybe 2 inches of rain in some spots. So it looks like many of us getting another good soaking rain event out of this incoming system. Now, as far as severe weather is concerned, I'm not terribly concerned about it for most of North Carolina. However, down into South Carolina, enough helicity involved, maybe a brief tornado or two possible late tonight and tomorrow morning. It kind of depends on if we can get any instability in place. Okay, as we get into the weekend, Saturday is going to be a day that features full sunshine, but highs only in the 50s. Sunday looks like upper 50s and lower 60s with full sunshine, but well into the 60s on Monday. And as we get into Monday, Tuesday there, and Wednesday, we could see some low 70s working in for highs in some locations prior to that next system then swinging in and bringing some more rain as we get into Thursday of next week. Okay, that is it for this Thursday edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.